Hello guys, welcome to Dailyhacks channel. Today is a lecture about little bit of the electrics. Most of the guys who live in the home, mostly we get used to of it. So I would say mostly people get scared how to do the electrics, but that's why you have to get some of the electrician for your home, for just for changing sockets, or just for the hair dryers, or sometimes the straighteners, or sometimes the hoover as well. So these are the things on the daily basis you must need to know about them before calling any of the electrician, because this is gonna be cost you a lot. So in this video I'm just going to tell you about some of the basic rules about electrics. So if you see, I have this hair straighteners in my hand, but if you see, it has a wire with it. So the thing is at the end of it, so not to confuse you guys, so I'm just gonna cut this off and put it aside. So you will see over here there was a switch for this hair straighteners. So basically you will see, so I will take this safety cover off. This is basically for the safety. So I did take this safety cover off. This actually get joined like this. So I have cut it from here just to show you guys how can you guys do that. If you see on this side on the switch, it has a small fuse in this, so you just need a small screwdriver, or any of the key, whichever you can use. I can use this screwdriver, but I will do it has a cut on it, so I will put on the one side and try to take the fuse out of it. And if I lift a little bit, so you will see there is your fuse over here. So here we go, this is a fuse. So mostly before cutting the wire out, I would suggest you to change the fuse on each and everything, just because sometimes the fuse is burned. So your stuff any of the hoover or any charger or anything can be which you use for the daily basis, so it would stop working. So I would suggest just to use just change the fuse first. But another thing is, you have to keep remember that if you see on the over here, I will show you, let me focus a little bit. Yeah, on this side if you see, yeah, so on this side you will see it has a 10A mean 10 amperage, means power of this, the current of this fuse is 10 amperes. So that's actually basically depends on your appliance, which how heavy is it or heavy is it not. So whenever you take the new fuse, make sure you match the amperage with that, otherwise it will be burned straight away. It will not work basically. So another thing which I'm going to show you, if you see, I have cut these two wires from the switch, and the wires itself I have cut it just for you to show if you counter problem after changing the fuse as well, but it's still not working. Sometimes what's happened on the connectors on these things, you will see they will get rusted, so that would not work. So what you will have to do, just cut it from the switch side, and I would say this is you're gonna split the wire. You can see how I'm actually doing. So this is exactly how you need to do. So just to split the wires to each side, and like this. So yeah, this is it splits. It splits now. So this you will see the different color on it. So basically this hair straighteners mostly is come with the 3 wires. You will see normally at home would have 3 wires. So third one could be the green one. This is the different colors of it. In the UK and the new color coding, as per on the new color coding, this is brown wire and this is your blue wire. Blue wire mean neutral, means it will go no power in it, but the brown one will be your live wire, means all of the power, basically your current, is going from the brown wire. So make sure whenever you do any of the electrics, turn off the first from the fuse, means turn your breakers off and from where is getting actually the power is. So after that, if you cut this, if you see from this side, you will see it has blue and brown as well in this switch. So if you go today and want to change a new fuse on it or want to change the switch on it, you just buy it from a B&Q or anywhere like hardware shop or any electric shop. You can buy the new fuse and the new each and everything like switch as well. So next thing would be the just to take the wire out, take the sleeves out, yeah, after that, and just twist a little bit, and your wire is ready to be used. So you can put directly into the socket, or you can use put the switch on it and you can use it wherever you want to. So this was basically like for your household thing. If your appliances or anything stop working, you have checked the fuse is fine but still not working, that's mean your switch could be faulty. You need to get the new switch from any electric shop and get the fuse and get the switch and change it over. That's a simple thing is. Hope you like that simple trick. That's will help you a lot whenever you are alone at home or you want to change something in your home. So this would really help you. The another thing which I forgot to tell you, these two wires could have the three wires as well. So the third one could be the green one. So the green one is basically for your earth. So make sure you get the color coding right one. Sometime some of the appliances are using the old color coding, which can be like on the blue side you will get the black one, on the brown side you will get the red one. So basically it's getting changed with the updated one, but this is the updated version of the electricity and regulations. So hope so you will love it. So see you in the next video. Subscribe my channel Daily Hacks. Bye bye.